I made this heart mosaic for a wall in Slovakia. Let me explain. So a while back I got contacted by a lady on Instagram, and she asked me if I wanted to be part of this project. And I said, sure, what does this entail? How would it work? And she explained to me that already 36 countries have taken part in this project, and the goal is to completely fill this wall with heart mosaics. Now, a lot of people have participated, and there are a bunch of different sizes I could go for, but I chose to do the smaller size, which was 25 by 25 centimeters, just because I have a lot of work now and the summer season just started, so I didn't really have much time for side projects. But I really wanted to take part in this. It's also the first time I make a mosaic for like a bigger project where other people have also taken part. And I don't know, I thought it would be very exciting, so I did this small mosaic, hopefully to add a little bit of myself and spread the love. So for my heart mosaic, this will be the size I will use for the heart, and then at the corners I actually want to put some of my handmade tiles. I still have to decide a bit on the arrangement, but I want to add a bit of my touch to the mosaic. By the way, if you hear noise in the background, it's because they are pouring concrete next door. So I'm really sorry for that. Hopefully they are done soon. I will start with sketching the heart, and then I will put it underneath, and then having a sheet of plastic just to protect both the paper and also the wood from the water-based glue, which will be cement glue that I have here, some left over. So for the heart itself, I'm gonna use some of these recycled tiles from my workshop. These tiles in particular are from workshops with couples that are celebrating their love, maybe with an activity for their anniversary or a birthday present. So I think they're really, really appropriate for the heart. And then I still have to decide on what to do with the background. Because everything is already so colorful, I think in the end the background will just be white, just to make sure that everything else can really pop and be the main subject of the mosaic. Thank you so much if you reached the end of this video. This activity was really special, and I really hope that when it arrives in Slovakia, Jane will also really like it, and hopefully I get an update and I can show you how it actually looks with the rest of the mosaics on the wall. So I will definitely keep an eye on her page just to see the next updates. I've seen a lot of other hearts that have been made so far and they all look really nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you liked the way I did my heart, and if you didn't, what would you change? And I will see you in the next one.